Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're packing more BrickLink orders on camera. No Brick Owl orders, just BrickLink today. But essentially it's been a while since I've done one of these, and that's mostly because people haven't been requesting these. So actually a couple weeks ago, about a couple weeks ago now probably, we got one person who requested it. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll do one. Hopefully we'll get a couple more requests. Then maybe a week later, probably a week ago now, I got another one. And then I was planning on doing it today for the video coming out today, or the video you're watching right now. And then I got another one, and we'll get into that one later, but it's a very special order. Let's put it that way, I guess. But yeah, we got 3 orders to pack today. We're going to pack them on camera. We'll see how long this video ends up being. We'll probably have to do a time lapse at some point, but let's get right into the orders. Okay, so we're ready to pack an order. I got the GoPro on my head, so hopefully this is not too shaky or anything. I didn't put the curtains up today. I was going to, but today you get to see the water heater and the washing machine and fun stuff over there. It's not like you guys don't know what the garage looks like, so this shouldn't be a surprise. First order here is from Quinn, and Quinn placed this order a couple weeks ago, like I said. And first minifigs from Gunther from Friends, and I grabbed the bin over here. Now, I've never actually seen Friends. I believe Gunther's from Friends. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is. But never actually seen Friends. I know a lot of people have. It's I hear it's a really good show and stuff, but I've never actually seen it. But Quinn said, just started watching the channel. Love it, and I would love if you could pack my order on camera, and I can. Okay, so we got a sticker sheet here, drawer 305, which is our sticker drawer. So we got to find this sticker sheet, which has like a diamond on it and some red stuff. Oh, is that this one? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I think it's that one. So like I said, a couple of videos ago, maybe just one video ago now, we have been redoing the house. And I don't think I made it clear, but the house is actually the house that is attached to this garage. So I'll now be living at the BrickLink store, which is nice because I can spend more time here. It's not like I have to get ready, to go to the BrickLink store and stuff. I can pretty much just go here whenever I want. 938, we got one of the Roman Emperor minifigs. So drawer 938 over here. I guess I'll show you this. This is an example of one of our used minifig drawers. We don't really do anything specific with them. They're just kind of all sitting in here, and we pull them out as needed, and then we bag them, similar to how we bag, the other minifigs, but we'll just bag them separate instead, not mixing them all together in the same bag or anything. There we go. So we got that. And then we also have 50 of these green 2x8 plates in 2918. So that is actually over here, 2918. So I feel like I guess there's no update really to the store. Unfortunately, like I said, we've been redoing pretty much everything in terms of the house, which actually is the reason this is like a total pigsty right now. There's tons of boxes over there. There's a TV box. It's a mess. It's a total disaster. But hopefully in the next couple weeks or so, that'll be all done. So Kaylee's inside painting right now. Paul is painting. Kyle is not going to move in anymore. He kind of bailed last minute there. So it's, we're technically there's an extra room now. But anyway, yeah. So we're moving in hopefully the beginning of December, which means now I'll be here at the BrickLink store 24/7. I mean, I won't actually be here 24/7, but I can be. I live here, so it's the same idea of it kind of how it used to be, where I was doing it in my closet from the very beginning, just trying to count as well, sorry. Just doing it in my closet, and I could, roll out of bed or see something on my phone or laptop or whatever, and roll out of bed, go to my closet, and pick a real small order there, which was pretty nice. And same idea here. Obviously, I gotta get to the garage now. There's unfortunately no door, like a passageway or anything, into the house. The house is on that wall and a little bit of that wall, but there's no doorway. Okay, that's 48, and I think that was 50. I'll double check that count in a second, but unfortunately no doorway to the house and stuff, but easy to walk outside, walk out front, out back, around the side of the house, whatever it might be, and come to the BrickLink store, which would be awesome. So this is the order, like I said, for Quinn. I believe it's Quinn. If it's not, I apologize. But sticker sheet, 2 minifigs, and 50 2x8 green plates. So I'm going to bag this up, and then we'll get to the next order in just a moment, which I believe is a relatively small order from Shipyard Bricks. Alrighty, so here's our next order from Shipyard Bricks, and I appreciate when buyers do this. He pretty much purchased everything in that lot, so it's not going to be a ton of counting. It'll just be some verifying and stuff, but you know, 120 of these 2x4 brown bricks, 32 slope things, and fun stuff like that. Now, one thing I guess I had a lot of questions on this, and if people are watching this, this will be great. People were asking, when we empty out half of a drawer, how do we, how do we know that it's empty? Now, there's two ways. Well, there's a way we do it, and then there's the way other people do it, which I guess makes two ways to do it. We personally, at the end of the day, and I'll show you this if I remember, at the end of this, once we're done with this drawer, let's say we've packed all the orders for the day, what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll change the remark for, say, this piece down here. We'll add it to this drawer, and we'll change the remark to whatever this number is here. So like 1990 in that case. So we would take what is in 1588, put it in 1990, change that in the system, and now it would show that this drawer is empty, and this has two different kinds of pieces in it. Then we would put this back on the wall. What I've seen other sellers do, and personally this isn't the way we do it, primarily because we have a barcode on the back and a number on the front, you can actually put the drawer in backwards. And when you put it in backwards, if you didn't have a barcode on the back of it, it would look different. It would be empty. There would be no number. It's a little weird. So if you're looking around for whatever, instead of seeing an empty spot and having extra drawers like we do up there, you would actually see a drawer that's kind of blank on the back. And now all you do is pull out this drawer and you know that it's empty, and then you can put it back on the wall like that. So there's two ways to do it. If you want to do it that way, you can obviously... you can do what we do, which is just, have totally empty drawers, and that's primarily because we use the drawers for parting out. If we didn't use the drawers for parting out, we might put them in backwards, but we like to have, it's not really great to have a ton up there, but we have a ton up there so that we're able to part things out easier by just putting them in the drawer directly. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, you can do it either of those two ways. So we're going to get 120 of these in drawer 312, which is actually right here. So there should be 120 in here. Now, this is an example of when I would use the counting scale, so I'm not going to count those right now. I'll verify with the counting scale later that there's 120 of those. Drawer 816, we're going to get 32 of those dark bluish gray kind of slope curved pieces. What was that? That was 816, so 816 is over here. Now, I feel like I had more to say about the house, and I can't remember what it was, but we've been doing a ton of work. We added recessed lighting. It's honestly really, really nice. I guess you could see as I pour, I kind of turn with it. I don't know how bad that looks on camera. I apologize if I'm making you dizzy, but 2, 4, 6, 28, 30, 32. So there's 32 of those pieces there. Sorry if that was terrible on camera there. But this is from Joseph. He said you can pack it on camera if you want. Joe has actually, or Shipyard Bricks, has actually purchased quite a bit from us in the past and done a few different things. Now, this was an order, I believe this was an order, where we were actually streaming. I think it was Kaylee and I, and he was like, 10,000 parts and 100 lot, or I don't remember exactly. It wasn't something like that, but let's get 1975 while I'm talking. He was talking, though, during the stream and kind of said, it's a huge order and we're going to place it and stuff. And then I got this order after we were done streaming, just a few minutes after, and it was, 176 parts, which isn't bad, 4 different lots. So it was a little bit of a disappointment. I was excited. I thought we were going to have a huge order, but we didn't. But no problem there. I still appreciate the order. So drawer 2011 got 16 of those 1x2 slopes, or 2x1 slopes. I think if it's a slope, it's the opposite. I think I said 2011. Yeah, so in the back of this, we got hopefully 16 of those. And let's check that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 of those. Bam. So that is Joe's order, or Joseph's order, Shipyard Bricks. Thank you so much for your order. Really appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and bag this up as I do every other order. And here it is, and I'm going to double check to make sure there are 120 of those plates. And then we'll get into the next order. Like I said, the next order is really special. It kind of has a... I'll show you right now. All right, so I just used the counting scale, and we do have 120 of these. As you can see, counting scale there, really great thing. Great purchase. So now I want to give you guys a little thing. So like I said, I had these 2 orders, and I'm not on camera right now, and I don't know how to show you, but we had these 2 orders, I think from Quinn and from Joseph. And then I was like, okay, I have to film a video because I can't let these orders wait around too long. But then a couple days ago, I woke up that morning and I saw a PayPal transaction, and I was really confused. And then I logged into BrickLink, and I saw this. That's right, an 8,440 piece order in 139 lots, which is, quite a few lots, but 8,440 pieces. Very large transaction and stuff. And this is from Clive. And Clive, I want to say thank you so much for your order. Massive order here. Now, cool thing about this order as well is Clive said it's actually the end destination. It's going to Florida first, but the end destination is South Africa. And he said, I don't think you've sold to South Africa yet. And I believe you are right. So you can see we're going to get to empty out some bins here, which is exciting because we're actually running out of bin space. So you can see these lavender 2x2 bricks, they're going to be gone completely out of a bin. These yellow 1x2, we can probably, hopefully get back into a drawer. Maybe not. That's okay, though. These tan 2x2s, we can get out of a bin, clear up another bin, and then the door frames can't get out of there. But you can see we'll have another cup free. This is going to open up a lot of lots because fortunately a lot of these are just purchased, all of them. We're going to pour them in a bag and call it done for the day, which is great. You can see there's a few where we have to do some high numbered counts, but for the most part, Clive, thank you. You purchased just pretty much everything in that lot, which is awesome. So this does tell me there's going to be a lot of consolidation. This is over the course. This is actually from today, from earlier today. We had more orders than these three, but these are the three I'm going to do on camera. But we'll have even more in this pile to consolidate at the end here. But Clive, like I said, thank you for your order. I'm going to have to do a time lapse for this because there's no way I can talk and pack, 8,440 pieces. That is a ton of parts. What I want you guys to do, for all of you who are BrickLink sellers, go ahead and type in the comments field down below what the biggest order you've received is. Before this, it was like 3,000 pieces in 300 something lots. Now, Clive, 139 lots is a lot, but it's not like a crazy amount. It's not like 300 lots. So tons and tons of pieces, but in a slower amount of lots. I mean, if you look at this, you're averaging probably, 65 pieces per lot, which is good. So it's not like you have 4,000 lots in 8,000 parts or something. Clive, thank you so much for your order. Really appreciate it. I'm going to set up for a time lapse now because this is going to take a long, long time. And then we're going to bag these up, and I'll obviously show you guys this order at the end and see how big it looks, what box it has to go in, all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, let's get into a time lapse now. All right. Okay, so I just finished packing that 8,440 piece order. Massive order. I want to show you guys what it looks like. It took me about an hour and a half to pack it, which is, I guess, fine. This person requested individual bags for each lot. Makes sense if they're ordering thousands of pieces. Let me turn the camera around and show you what this looks like. All right, so try to ignore the mess around it, but this is what 8,000 pieces looks like. This is a decent container. These are the bins that we use. So we have 3 full bins worth of stuff actually overflowing. They're not even full. Plus, this is generally what we put our bubble mailers in when we go to the post office and drop them off. You can see that's bigger than this. I mean, this is a lot of weight. According to the BrickLink thing, this weighs 20 pounds. And then, of course, you add the bags into that too, and then the box and stuff. This is going to be pretty heavy. I'm not going to lie, I don't know what this is going to ship in. It's not going to fit in a large flat rate box, I don't think. I don't think there's any way that's going to happen. So we'll probably either have to make a box, or it might be best to do 2 separate packages. I'm not entirely sure, but crazy amount of parts here. I mean, 8,440 pieces. So, Clive, thank you so much for your order. It's an honor to be shipping to South Africa indirectly. We're going to Florida first, but it's awesome to be shipping around the world like that. So thank you again so much for your order. And thank you to everyone who has watched this video. I'm going to pack this order up and call it a night, edit this video and get it out for you guys. But thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comment section down below. And then, of course, if you guys would like an order packed on camera, go ahead and place an order in our store in the comments section or the notes section when you're placing your order. Ask for it to be packed in camera, and we'll do that for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.